Harrahs Las Vegas sits right in the center of the action but at a lower price point than many luxury strip resorts. I'm testing Vegas options to save you money without ruining your trip. I'm staying here to see if the savings are real or if you're just settling for less. I'll show you the price, room, casino, food, and what it actually feels like staying on a budget hotel in the center of the strip instead of going luxury.
There's only one way to find out, and off we go.
We're heading straight to the pool because check-in isn't ready yet, and the pool is already open, so it just makes sense. Now, this is Harrah's pool, not your 5-star luxury resort situation. So I wonder what to expect. The sun lounger at the back is free, so we're taking it. I forgot to bring my slippers, so I'm already dreading it. The ground's gonna be scorching, and having to keep my shoes on and off is going to be such a hassle.
Kinda hot, but not really because the gust is 30 miles per hour. This whole bed flew on me. Tray flew on me too. That was weird. I am ready to get to the pool. This pool is pretty mellow. It's not a day club.
I wonder if they're particular with temperature just like luxury hotels.
Ooh, water is cold, but it's perfect because it's hot.
Oh, it is insanely cold. Get up to here, you're fine.
I'm gonna do just that. Aren't you guys cold? One more time. Honestly, I got here without a room key.
This pool is open to public.
You're welcome. 30 miles per hour.
Wow, the wind?
Yeah.
Yesterday was so hot.
Even the umbrella. Oh, look at that guy helping out. That's so nice of him.
This looks great for couples who wants to relax. This view is so nice. I wonder where we will stay in.
They do have a second pool. I want to find out what it's all about. Nope, nobody has it? Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Chicken guys?
Yeah.
I'm on it. I've been here twice before. I know they do charge for early check-in fee, so I think I'm just gonna enjoy the pool for now and then go have lunch. This looks fun. I wonder what's the difference? I guess this is a kiddie pool. Cornhole here in case you want to play. Let's try it out. So perfect. Does it turn on? It does.
We tried every single way.
The shower turned off for today because of the wind.
Thank you. It's too windy.
In Vegas, if wind gust hits 20 miles per hour or more, the water features and fountains get shut down. And if it ramps up to 35 to 40 miles per hour, the entire pool closes.
I just realized too that my dress has been flown and I can't find it. I hope they didn't pick my dress up.
Time to get lunch, and we're just looking for casual dining. Where should we go? Definitely not Ramsay's kitchen because that's expensive. Good thing there's a food hall, many choices. What should I get?
Fulton Cafe looks good. You can play to the Fulton Noodle Bar. I think it's closed. Sushi right here. Wednesday to Sunday, 4 to 9 p.m. Chicken guys right here. I think I shouldn't miss it. Everyone's having it.
Chicken guy.
How is it?
It's good. Are you the YouTube girl?
Yes.
Oh, I watched your YouTube.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, because I was looking at hotels.
That's so sweet.
I'm pretty sold with Chicken Guy, but there's no harm looking at other places.
Peanut pizza. They do Pepsi products here. Yeah, we've had it at Caesar's.
We got it right here.
Yay or nay?
For me, it's all right.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's all right.
Look at it.
They have sandwiches, burgers, pastries, donuts.
Ooh, the chicken Caesar salad looks so good.
$12.99 plus.
12. Oh, that's a good deal.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's my first time to try this one. So, how are you?
Good.
I'm gonna have your chopped salad. $15.99. That's not bad. Iced coffee, Americano.
Medium?
Yes.
Okay, it's 66.
This price certainly surprised me, but here we are.
Hi. Mahalo.
Thank you.
Sometimes when there are too many options, you don't know where to sit down.
Right. We got our coffee and our chicken guy. Okay. I like supporting locals, so we're gonna have coffee here instead of Starbucks. But I know Starbucks has also employees that are local, so I also support them. Damn, that's strong. It's gonna have, you close it, shake it. But first and foremost, I'd like to thank Food Leos for my lunch. He gave me a thanks, which is $20.
I guess that explains why Chicken Guy is so popular. It's owned by Guy Fieri. Their all-natural chicken tenders are brimmed in lemon juice, pickle brine, and buttermilk, then infused with fresh herbs. As for me, I went with the Cobb salad because I've been craving for some greens.
But we're on vacation, so I get to enjoy fried food. It's 2 p.m. right now. We have 1 hour before we check in. I'm craving for dessert. But first, I need to make a bet. Let's just early check-in.
$25.
$25? Nah, we're eating that. I have to go. I hope so. I have to get a new card. There it is. Of course it's with Caesars. Can I bet on Can I bet on the Dodgers? Lost yesterday, so.
What did you take? Oh, you took the...
Dodgers, Rockies, Dodgers.
But you took the Rockies though? Oh, you
Wait.
took Dodgers won yesterday. They won by 3-1?
They won 5-3.
5-3.
Wait, Dodgers won?
Yes.
You didn't pay your ticket after.
You want Gordon Ramsay for dinner?
Well, thank you, Saley, for sponsoring our video and keeping our YouTube adventures going. I've actually been to 70 countries and I'm a pro traveler. One memory I have is my backpacking days in Europe. Well, I ended up being in Switzerland and not having a load on my SIM card. There was no T-Mobile back then in Switzerland, so I had to go all the way to the border of Germany and Switzerland. It was an adventure, but I think it's a lot of nuisance if you value time and money. That's why I love Saley. Before your trip, just download the app, choose a plan, install your eSIM, and you're ready to go the moment you land. No more going to airport kiosks, finding the best deal, and trust that it's not a scam.
Instead of paying expensive roaming charges through traditional carriers, Saley offers affordable data plans.
5G for 30 days is pretty good considering you will use your Wi-Fi in your hotel. You did it. And because you're watching this channel,
You can get 15% off with code BABETRAVELING at checkout or by scanning this QR code on screen.
now back to regular programming. Good thing I didn't throw my ticket. But today we are betting on the Dodgers again. Go Dodgers! I've been to Hell's Kitchen, I've been to Burgers, I've been to the steakhouse at Paris, and now I gotta try the kitchen fine dining tonight. So I really hope we win. I still want dessert, but I want a warm cookie. I don't know what to get that. I mean, there are a lot of restaurants here. We're near the link. Should we get out?
I was close walking to Venetian until I saw this.
Carlos Bake Shop.
I tried the rainbow cake, but I want something new.
Wait, this or this?
Maybe $9.
Okay, thank you.
We heat it up a little bit.
Yes.
Guess who's sitting on the rainbow cake?
I gave it some thoughts. It's been 1 hour and I still want dessert. Here's a slice of the cake. Can I ask you guys a favor?
Yeah.
Can I just hold it, put it here on the table?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, let me move everything.
Oh my God, thank you. No, don't leave, don't leave.
It's okay. You're good. No, we're leaving because you.
Oh my God.
Very nice to meet you all. Keep up the good vibes, and I hope this trip turns out to be one for the books.
We are pairing right there.
Eating this cake has been a production, but I haven't lost my appetite.
Oh, we got a gift here from my mom's birthday. That's a good deal.
Some of them are almost out. Just
Oh.
let you know. I have only a couple left.
She got me $100. I'll show you what I have in the room. I think it's worth it. Oh, how come no one's here? Checking in, please.
Safety ID.
Of course.
Parking will be $20 and I charge you the rental, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you have the key, okay? That's your key to exit the garage.
I request for a high
I have
floor.
you on the 16th floor. That's the highest.
Okay, facing the sphere.
No, but I gave you a full view.
5 stars.
I'll be honest, the one thing I don't love about budget hotels on the Strip is the check-in time. I didn't want to pay extra for early check-in, so I just waited until 3 p.m. They usually don't let you in until 3:30, but they got me in early, so thank you for that. Now I can finally get settled.
Valley Tower, here we come. Thank you. Hi, little cutie.
Looks like I got in the wrong lift.
16th floor.
I completely forgot how huge hotel strips are.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. No, we were not there.
It's not just me who got lost.
We're here. This is the right one. Can you press 16, please? Or do we need a card? Okay, we don't need a card. Wow, the noise level is 0. I can't believe it. Smells good in here.
The right side is a mountain tower and we are on the newer Valley Tower.
I'm amazed how wide the corridors are. That's our room, 1613. Ruth Chris. Okay. Wow! Whoa! Wow, this is quite an upgrade to the mountain tower. Welcome to Harrah's King Bed Valley Tower room. It is quite spacious than the mountain room because I've stayed there before and I feel like this is newer and like fresher. First of all, I like to show you the view. I really wanted to get the sphere view or the link view, but I think it's okay because the view ain't so bad.
Since it's a budget hotel, I did expect the windows to be not so clean. Here's our night view and thank you for the pool view. I get to see the strip for a bit.
Here we have our work table. We have, wow, it's amazing that they have Keurig right here, but I think you have to pay for it here. That's right, it's not free.
I scanned the QR code for the price and it's $17. This is the newest hotel on the strip. No worries, we've already booked it.
I really appreciate that there's a vanity table right here. The mirror's so clean and like you could see your face very well.
This is what I got from the shop. It's a citrine tree. Then I got this beautiful rose quartz earring. Got 2 earrings, we will wear one later.
From the vanity mirror, we have your fit check. The Louis is just right here. Ooh, nice sliding door. It's not that small for a mid-strip budget hotel. Modern aesthetic as well.
It has aloe vera and this is also good for the face. I already know it smells good.
But, uh-oh, here is the shower. And there's no sliding door, French style, and they probably already know.
I'm sure you expect it's not fancy, so you may bring your own.
This is the best shampoo and conditioner ever from Fenty. Not the biggest shower head, but pretty strong. And of course, we shouldn't miss our bed test! Yep. This bed is good. I will sleep well tonight. You can charge your phone, kind of slow though, and then they have USB-C to USB-C. Yeah, we have king pillows. Very stuffy. I love this. Can I take it home? In case you're wondering where are the closets, there are 2 here.
This one has the locker and the laundry bag.
And the other has everything else. Should have bet on nights too.
Here's what's going on in the box office and some restaurants too.
What time is our Dodgers game today? Not gonna be till 7 p.m. and Ramsay's kitchen closed at 10 p.m. So I'm making an executive decision to go eat there right now because anyways we won yesterday and didn't claim it. So hungry. It's kind of busy.
I didn't reserve, so I got a queue.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. Just me.
For one, right now the only thing I have available is the bar or these small tables here. They all serve the same menu.
Right there. Is that a space? Okay, thank you. And I'm taking it. Hello. Hi. Yes, thank you.
Small ones are 3-course.
It looks like they have the same menu as the other Ramsays. Just put in an order and I decided to take a look around, and honestly, don't let the outside fool you. It looks small but there's way more space inside than you'd expect.
We're having short ribs because I'm craving for beef. Mashed potato with vegetables. And yeah. This one just elevates the taste. Gordon Ramsay has perfected his menu. Beef Wellington, of course, is his #1. That's always so good. My next favorite is actually the salmon. I've never had a perfectly cooked salmon like that.
I requested for the Dodgers game, so thank you.
Sir total. Wait, that was a really good dinner, and every time I'm in Vegas, I always want to try Gordon Ramsay. It's one of the best things here in Vegas. We get a Michelin star. I couldn't really see the games from the sideways, so now I want to watch the game and see how they're scoring. Let's go to a sports bar.
But first, we gotta experience the casino. I'm happy they have a huge poker machines corner.
And I found my favorite game. Birthday draw poker. It's full right now, but I'm willing to wait. They have like unusual names there for poker, like Let It Right, and then Mississippi Stud. But they're all poker and they run from $10 to $15. And this side is a mix of everything. They have poker, they have blackjack. I only saw $15 blackjacks, no $10. Blackjack craps are over here. I don't see what roulette. Roulette is missing. Wheel of Fortune. Did anybody win? I must say this casino is pretty organized. Side has most of the buffaloes. We have more poker here, but no 100 game play. This is the side of Keno. This is the high limit room. It's so pretty. They do have table games right there. And this is the lounge right here. Should we hang and drink here? This is pretty too, this side. It's called Signature Bar, and let's see if they're usually watching Spurs and OKC. No one's watching Dodgers here. They usually are just watching Knights and then, of course, Knights. I should have bet on Knights for real. The score, Golden Knights is leading with 1 point, second quarter. That pig is so big. Slot machine. See, nobody's watching baseball. Finally free. Go in. Go in.
See how that was bent right there? Sometimes it doesn't like
Yes. Saying Deuce Wild.
I want all 100 hands.
Oh, we have a pair. This might win. Come on. Yeah. What? That's it? We're gonna bet 2 per hand. Hey, we got a wild one. Well, we're only winning 49 and our bet is 100. We just increased our bet to 2. Still not enough. Let's go for 3. But you want 4 of a kind. Increasing it to 4. Okay. A double ace. Let's go. Still not enough. The score between Dodgers and the Rockies today. Ding! Guess that's a sure win for us. Keep increasing it. Flushes. Nope, nothing really. 5 cents. Let's go. Now it's 3 of a kind. Yes. Finally, yes. I do want to get a drink here. Oh, it's a karaoke night. Watching the game right now, and we're gonna play, so we have a free drink. What did you sing?
At Last, Etta James.
Oh my God, that's hard.
You missed it.
Something's clearly off with this blackjack machine, but it just tripled my $20, so I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, let's go Dodgers!